Credit Strong Review. Credit Strong Pros and Cons. There are many things that you cannot do without good credit, and it is easy to find yourself with a poor credit rating. Once that occurs, you are unable to obtain loans at reasonable cost and may not be able to get a car when you need it or rent the home you love. Credit Strong offers a range of programs to help you rebuild your credit score and create a savings safety net at the same time. Benefits or pros. Improve your credit score. The main benefit of this program is that it helps you to improve your credit rating. You will not have access to the principal loan amount, so you cannot spend it before you save it, but there will be a report made to all of the credit bureaus each month that you complete the payment. This payment history will improve your credit score each month for the length of the program you choose. Build savings. Each month that you make a payment, part of that payment covers the interest on the loan, and the remainder will be added to your savings account. At the end of the designated time period, the money that has been added to your savings account will be released for your use. Flexibility. You choose the amount of money that you want to save and the time frame you want it to be active for. With 3 programs to choose from: Subscribe, in which you make a $15 per month or $30 per month payments towards the goal of saving $1,000. Build and Save, which has a higher monthly payment of $48, $89, or $96, or the Magnum, which allows for building savings up to $5,000 or $10,000. No risk. With any of these choices, there is no risk to you. If you are unable to continue making payments, simply have the account closed and the savings that you have created so far will be released to you. There are no penalties for closing the account early. No credit check. Any loan will check your credit before approving the loan, and this credit check affects your credit score negatively. As this program does not perform a credit check, it will not decrease your credit score. Cons. Service fees. You will be paying a service fee to set up the account, as well as a monthly interest payment on the loan, without access to the loan amount. Interest payments. Though the money is locked in a savings account that you cannot access, you will still be required to make interest payments on that amount. This results in you paying interest on money that you have never had access to or used. Payments. Each month has a set payment, so if you are low income or run short one month, it may be a struggle to make the payment. If you miss or are late with a payment, that will be reported as well, and your credit may go down. It is best to close the account before any payment can be missed.